After the holiday season, many of us find ourselves grappling with the common issue of overindulgence, as festive celebrations often lead to excessive eating and drinking. This overconsumption can leave us feeling sluggish and out of balance, making detoxing essential for restoring our health and vitality. In this video, we will explore effective tips and foods that can aid in detoxifying the body, helping you to regain your energy and well-being. Prepare to learn practical strategies that will support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle post-holidays. Holiday overeating, particularly with rich foods and alcohol, can significantly impact our bodies, leading to discomfort and fatigue. The indulgence in heavy meals often results in symptoms such as fluid retention, nausea, and headaches, making it difficult to feel our best. These effects can linger long after the celebrations end, highlighting the importance of addressing them through a detox diet. By incorporating lighter, nutrient-dense foods and hydration, we can alleviate these uncomfortable symptoms and restore our body's natural balance, paving the way for renewed energy and overall well-being. Citrus fruits, including lemons, oranges, and grapefruits, are detox powerhouses that offer numerous health benefits. Their high vitamin C content not only boosts the immune system, but also provides potent antioxidant properties, helping to combat free radicals in the body. These fruits play a vital role in aiding digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and enhancing nutrient absorption. Additionally, citrus fruits support liver function, assisting in the detoxification process and helping to flush out harmful substances. Incorporating these vibrant fruits into your diet can significantly enhance your detox efforts and overall well-being. Turmeric and ginger are powerful spices known for their remarkable detoxifying properties. Both combat inflammation, which can hinder the body's natural detox processes, and boost metabolism, aiding in weight management. To incorporate these spices into your meals, consider adding turmeric to soups, stews, or smoothies, while ginger can enhance teas, stir-fries, and marinades. Their antioxidant benefits further support overall health by neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. Including turmeric and ginger in your diet not only enhances flavor, but also promotes a healthier, more balanced body, making them essential for any detox regimen. Black and red pepper are valuable additions to detox diets, offering numerous health benefits. These peppers enhance digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently. Additionally, they improve circulation, promoting better blood flow and nutrient delivery throughout the body. One of their key roles is aiding in the transportation of toxins out of cells, facilitating the detoxification process. To maximize their benefits, consider adding a pinch of black or red pepper to your daily water, providing a metabolism boost while enhancing flavor and supporting your overall detox efforts. Beets are a powerhouse for detoxification, effectively helping to eliminate toxins from the body while improving blood flow. Their high content of antioxidants and nitrates supports liver function, enhancing the organ's ability to process and remove harmful substances. Beets are incredibly versatile, easily incorporated into various dishes such as salads, soups, and roasted vegetables, or enjoyed in refreshing juices and smoothies. By including beets in your diet, you not only enjoy their earthy flavor, but also promote overall organ functionality, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to support their detox efforts. Green tea is an exceptional detoxifying beverage, renowned for its high antioxidant content, which helps combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Its metabolism-boosting properties can aid in weight management and enhance overall energy levels. Additionally, green tea plays a significant role in preventing diseases, supporting heart health, and aiding digestion by promoting a healthy gut. For an extra flavor boost and added benefits, consider infusing your green tea with fresh mint and a squeeze of lemon. This combination not only enhances taste, but also provides additional antioxidants and digestive support. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, making them an excellent addition to detox diets. They are rich in choline, a vital nutrient that supports liver detoxification processes by aiding in the removal of toxins and promoting healthy liver function. Additionally, eggs provide high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals that contribute to overall health. To incorporate eggs into your meals, consider various cooking methods such as boiling, poaching, scrambling, or baking. Whether enjoyed in a hearty omelet or added to salads, eggs offer versatility and nourishment, enhancing your detox journey while keeping you satisfied. Lemongrass tea offers numerous health benefits, primarily due to its rich antioxidant properties, which help combat oxidative stress and support overall wellness. Additionally, lemongrass has been shown to positively affect cholesterol levels, promoting heart health by reducing bad cholesterol. Its natural diuretic properties aid in reducing bloating and flushing out excess fluids from the body. To incorporate lemongrass into your daily beverages, consider brewing fresh lemongrass tea or adding it to smoothies and herbal infusions. This refreshing addition not only enhances flavor, but also provides a wealth of health benefits to support your detox efforts. Green leafy vegetables are crucial in detox diets due to their high nutrient density and significant role in detoxification. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these vegetables help support liver function and eliminate toxins from the body. To maximize their benefits, it's essential to consume them raw, as cooking can diminish some of their vital nutrients. Pairing green leafy vegetables with vitamin C sources, such as citrus fruits or bell peppers, enhances nutrient absorption and boosts overall health. Incorporating these vibrant greens into your meals can significantly contribute to your detox journey and overall well-being. Probiotics play a vital role in digestive health by balancing intestinal microbiota, which is essential for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy gut environment, preventing the overgrowth of harmful microorganisms. Detox-friendly probiotic foods, such as yogurt and sauerkraut, are excellent sources of these live cultures, promoting gut health and enhancing the body's natural detoxification processes. Additionally, probiotics are crucial in preventing gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating and irregularity, by supporting regular bowel movements and reducing inflammation. Incorporating probiotics into your diet can significantly improve digestive wellness and overall health. Pineapple is a fantastic detoxifying fruit, celebrated for its diuretic properties that help eliminate excess fluids and reduce bloating. Additionally, it aids digestion due to the presence of bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins and promotes gut health. Pineapple also boasts anti-inflammatory effects, which can help alleviate inflammation in the body and support overall wellness. To incorporate pineapple into your meals and snacks, consider adding fresh pineapple to smoothies, salads, or salsas, or enjoy it grilled as a delicious side dish. Its sweet and tangy flavor makes it a versatile addition to any detox plan. Hydration is crucial in the detox process, as water plays a vital role in flushing out toxins and maintaining overall bodily functions. Adequate hydration helps support kidney function, allowing for efficient waste removal and preventing the buildup of harmful substances. Coconut water is an excellent choice for hydration, as it provides essential electrolytes that help maintain balance in the body, especially after physical activity. Additionally, incorporating high water content fruits, such as watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges, can further enhance hydration levels while providing essential vitamins and minerals, making them perfect companions for your detox journey. For effective detoxification, it's essential to avoid certain foods that can hinder your progress. Dairy products, processed foods, and added sugars are particularly detrimental, as they can contribute to inflammation and digestive issues. Additionally, steering clear of alcohol during the detox process is crucial, as it places extra strain on the liver and impairs its ability to eliminate toxins. Instead, focus on incorporating whole natural foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This shift will support your body's detoxification efforts and promote overall health and well-being. Here's a simple detox juice recipe featuring kale, a nutrient-dense green. For this kale detox juice, you will need 2 cups of fresh kale, 1 green apple, 1 cucumber, the juice of 1 lemon, and a small piece of ginger. Begin by washing all the ingredients thoroughly. Chop the kale, apple, and cucumber into smaller pieces for easier blending. Add all ingredients to a juicer or blender, along with a cup of water, and blend until smooth. Strain if desired. This juice is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support detoxification, boost immunity, and enhance digestion. In summary, detoxing after holiday indulgence is essential for restoring balance and promoting overall health. By incorporating the tips and recipes shared, such as enjoying detoxifying foods and beverages, you can effectively support your body's natural cleansing processes. We encourage you to try these suggestions and experience the benefits for yourself. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your own detox tips in the comments below. Engaging with our community can inspire others on their detox journeys and foster a supportive environment for everyone.